Hey all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for major issue from everyone is facing for the particular website link we will be sharing time. We are facing from image issues. Suppose one example, you are first time watching the video. Please look into the properly and follow the guidelines. And any issues will be facing your problem in the entire the video. Please comment me the my channel. When you will sharing time, it will be wrong image uploading. A lot of things are major issue is a old image uploading will be facing some issues from the some other website to social network will be major problem. Incorrect thumbnail are properly not visible thumbnails. How to we can rectify? That is the purpose. We have to use option name is called Facebook Debugger. That is called. So is the image is changing. When I'm sharing for social network, they will show your old image. The old image thing, but we have to refresh your particular image. There is a purpose. Copy the URL, use a Facebook debug, refresh it. Is a previous image. There's using for scrap again. There's a fraction of seconds changing the new image. Once again refresh. There is a only once again refresh. Click for share your icon will be here. There's a new image will be visible by sometime will be take some time or they will show will be immediately, not like coming to the like this. So that all option name is called Facebook debugger. Any image will be unnecessary. We can show our image. They're showing for old thumbnail. There is a purpose. Our thumbnail will be not visible. There is a purpose. We can use option name is called Facebook debugger. The code is compulsory important. We can follow the instructions by increase the your particular proper image visible by the particular user purpose. So that is the Facebook debugger one. Simple logic. I can go to your particular post, edit. Before that, I'll show you image. In this, copy here. This is the old image. Replace, upload it. So we can useful. Update. Refresh. Image updated. Now we can go to share your social media icons. They're showing for old image or new image. You can check it out. They're showing your company image will be old one. So what we can copy this URL, same. Refresh. Facebook debugger code. Click this, old image visible. Click for scrap again. Then immediately we complete by the new image. Now, people, when you are refreshing, before you have to refresh your page is important. Without refresh your page, don't use your social media icons. Click here. There's option will be here. Follow and click for post your option will be here is the things. What are the things you can follow instructions on your particular website to show your social media icons to share your social media profiles. So this is a method you can follow for the Facebook debugger. You can fix your incorrect thumbnail and not show your thumbnail. We can rectify with your Facebook debugger option. So simple, you can search for Google Facebook debugger. Just your search will be here. First option, developer.facebook.com/tool/debug. Enter the URL, click for debug the option. So immediately the image file will rectify your particular website page. So this kind of thing, anyone issues you're facing problem thumbnails or you're not incorrect will be not verified, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Please comment me Anything I'm missing your comment, I definitely will be re-comment once again. I definitely will sort out your problem and fix your issues through my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.